Manisha and welcome to our dazzling Soras channel. Journey of Art is fun and I'm here to take you through its wonderful experience from the start itself. Today I will touch base upon the basic techniques of watercolor painting and tell you how you as a beginner can get your hands on it. So without any further ado, let's dive into it.
So, I'll be starting with my first technique, that is wet on wet technique. For this technique, you just need a simple A4 size sheet that is readily available, and we'll be making a rectangle so as to have a definite painting surface. So now, as we have made this rectangle, we'll now be starting with the painting. So I have taken these basic paints that are everywhere available. So first you need to apply water in the defined shape. Apply as much water as you can because that will give a good texture to it. So now as we have applied water on this shape, now we'll be starting with the painting stuff. So we have taken over here a yellow normal paint, and now we'll be starting with applying it on the topmost part, and then we need to spread it downwards. Just keep spreading it so that it has equal amount of paint everywhere. So as now we have spread the paint everywhere, and now we can be able to have a good texture when it dries up. So moving on to our next technique is creating ombres. So for the people who don't know what ombre is, I would like to tell you that it is a transition of a color from the lightest shade to the darkest shade, and the lightest shade is white and the darkest is black. So for an example, I will take green color. I am starting with the lightest shade, white. So we'll take a moist brush and then spread it over here. Make sure not to take don't apply much water or else that give it to you a bad texture. So now as we have put some white color on the surface, now we'll be transitioning it to color green. First leave a small space, the green color and the white color. Then we'll really properly blend them. That has to be evenly, so wait for that time. Keep spreading it. And then again leave a bit of space and start with black color. Once we have formed the patches, we would blend them properly. So now let's take a close-up because I'll be starting my blending. So first we'll blend the color green and the white. So now we'll take a bit of white and then spread it on the last surface of green so that it spreads evenly with the color white and mixes well. Apply some water. Try to be as smooth as you can because harsh techniques won't suit up here. So now we'll just blend black so that it doesn't dry up. take a bit of black and apply it on the last surface of green. So now this is our final product that we have got by smooth blending, and this would take a bit of time, but that would give a satisfying result. This is a transition of a lighter shade of green to a darker shade of it, from white, then green, and then black. So now as we have learned how to make an ombre, now we can move on to a third technique, that is how to create gradients. So let me tell you the difference between gradients and an ombre. Gradients can be of any two colors, the transition of any one color to the other. But an ombre needs to be from the lighter shade of that color to the darker shade. So I'll quickly show you how to do it. I'll taking these two colors, green and yellow. So we'll take a moist brush and dip a bit of color on it, and then let's spread it on the sheet. Apply a bit of water. Now we can add the other color, that is green. Leave a bit of space between both of them. Be quick on this process because once it dries up, that cannot be blended. Now just apply water without any pigment. And now spread it over here. Over here it needs to be most of the water. So this is our final product of creating a gradient. And now this is a result of some proper blending.
Thank you so much guys for watching this till the end. I hope you have learned something out of it, even if it's a bit. Stay tuned for more such videos so that you master this art. Like, share and subscribe, and do tell me your reviews in the comment section. Until we meet, take care and stay safe.